My name is Keren Asulin and I live in Valley Village. When we moved into this house about a year ago, the garage to me was just an empty space that had so much potential. And I saw this vision of making this space clean and fresh and airy. The workers for Trig Builders were very efficient, showed up every morning on time, finished the job in a timely manner. I'm very happy with the way the whole project turned out from beginning to end, from the first step of getting the permits all the way till passing final inspection. They did an excellent job. Always made sure to call the inspectors and to have everything done correctly and pass all inspections in a timely manner. When I walk into this place, I think to myself, wow, how did it used to look like, what it used to look like and what it looks like now, such a big difference. I would definitely recommend Trig Builders to friends, family, for all their construction needs. Thank you, Trig Builders, all the contractors. Thank you to Ezra. Thank you to Yossi for all that you do for us. Thank you.